Hello again, welcome back. Probably over the course of 8 months or so, I have been sharing the journey of my parents buying their first new build project. Now that everything is in, we're starting with the entryway, moving into the kitchen and the dining room. Now it's time to look for pieces. So I'm standing in the entryway of my parents' home and I'm about to put together the entryway table and mirror. So I want you guys to follow along as I show you how you can really style your entryway to make a big impact when your guests walk in. So this is a little trick I learned using museum putty to kind of secure objects that you have, especially those who have toddlers, and in this case these are grandparents, so kids tend to run around and bump into things, and this kind of prevents your expensive goods from toppling over and making a disaster. Always, thank you so much for watching. So again, don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification button so you're alerted when I have new content. And I just want to thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon. See you later.